Hi, I'm Kira from Home Behind the Oak, and I'm really excited because today is finally the day that we are having our door installation with Palladio doors. So if you remember, I shared our current door that we've got, and our new door is being installed today. I'm going to take you inside and just show you what a difference it will make when our new Palladio door is put in. So this is our current back door, which, as you can see, has a tiny window letting very little natural light in. It is incredibly dark in this room when the lights are off. And so our new door with Palladio has a huge half-height window, which is going to allow lots of beautiful natural light into the utility room. So I am just a little bit in love with our gorgeous new door from Palladio Doors. I cannot get over the difference it has made. The colour, the style, the finish with all of the black against the grey. I'm just in love. So I'm going to take you on through and just show you the difference it's made inside as well. So what I loved about Palladio Doors was the fact that I got to design my very own back door. I chose the colour, I chose the finish, and it means that I'm never actually going to have to paint it. The colour doesn't fade, it will stay like this forever. The other amazing thing about Palladio Doors is energy saving, which obviously at the minute we're all very conscious of. It will keep such a heat in the room.